6.5. One graph is given, frequency polygon, and we have to write the question and answer there. Observe the following frequency polygon and write the answers of the questions below it. So you see the figure in the book. That figure is given on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 marks, on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 students. See that on y-axis 10 to 60 taken, and on the x-axis there is one symbol again, then 20. First and last class in the frequency polygon we take that extra classes because to join the x-axis. So 20 to 30 and last 90 to 100 both have frequency 0, and remaining all see that all the points in the middle class mark, all the points see that in the middle of two classes because that point is on the class mark. When we draw the second figure and third figure on the graph paper, then you see that we draw on the middle of each class because that is on the class mark. So see that figure. First question is, which class has the maximum number of students? See in the figure, maximum number of students are 60. That is of the class 60 to 70. Class mark is 65. That upper side, see that point 65 60. So it has maximum frequency 60. So class is 60 to 70. So answer, the class 60 to 70 has the maximum number of students. Second question, write the classes having 0 frequency. I tell that 20 to 30 point is on the x-axis and 90 to 100 point plot on the x-axis. So that two classes have frequency 0. So answer, the classes 20 to 30 and 90 to 100 have 0 frequency. So that two classes have 0 frequency. That is third question. What is the class mark of the class having frequency of 50 students? See that 50 students, 55, 50. That have 50. So that class will be 50 to 60. So the class 50 to 60 having frequency of 50 students. So their class mark. What is class mark formula? Lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. 50 plus 60, 110 upon 2, 55. So that coordinate will be 55, 50. So the class mark is 55. So in the class 50 to 60 having frequency of 50 students, therefore its class mark is 55. Question number 4. Write the lower and upper class limits of the class whose class mark is 85. Whose class mark is 85 is 80 to 90. Its class mark is 85. So the class 80 to 90 having class mark 85. What we have to write answer? Lower class limit and upper class limit. So lower class limit is 80 and upper class limit is 90. So lower class limit 80, upper class limit 90. Last fifth, how many students are in the class 80 to 90? See that 80 to 90. How many students are there? 15. So there are 15 students in the class 80 to 90. Question number 2. Show the following data by frequency polygon. Electricity bill in rupees, families 0 to 200, 200 to 400 up to this. There is frequency, number of families 240, 300, 450, 350, 160. So first prepare a table showing coordinates to draw a frequency polygon. First column class, second column class mark, third column frequency, fourth column coordinates of points. So coordinates of point here. In every example we take one class extra at the first and one class at the last. Both have frequency 0 because that graph is joined to x-axis. So one class extra at the starting and one class at the last. But here starting from 0. So we not take one class extra because before 0 negative number are there. So not take one class extra. 0 to 200, 200 to 400, 400 to 600, up to this given. Last one take class extra, 1000 to 1200. Class mark. Lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. 0 to 200. Class mark 100. Next difference will be 200. So 300, 500, 700, 900. Last 1100. This first frequency given 240. If one class extra we take, then here frequency 0. But not take extra class, therefore frequency is 240, 300, 450, 350, 160. And here one class will take extra this. So here frequency will be 0. Coordinates of point means class mark and frequency. Class mark on x-axis and frequency on y-axis. So 100 to 240, 300 to 300, 500 and 450, 700, 350, 900, 160, 1100 and 0. This is on that class. This is the coordinates of the points.